Annyeonghaseyo, fellow travelers. Are you ready to unwrap a Christmas holiday like no other? South Korea in December is where festive magic meets winter wonderland. Picture snow-dusted streets, twinkling lights, and heartwarming food that makes every moment unforgettable. Whether it's your first time or you're back for more, this ultimate 7-day Christmas itinerary will guide you through the best spots, from Seoul's bustling streets to Busan's coastal beauty. You'll learn how to travel, where to eat, what to see, and everything else to make this the holiday of your dreams. So bundle up, grab your notebook, and let's slay this adventure together. Day 1, 2, Seoul's festive fever. Your journey begins in Seoul, the heart of South Korea. After landing at Incheon International Airport, head to the Arex Express train terminal. For just 9,500 won, $8, it'll whisk you to Seoul Station in under an hour. Stop by the convenience store at the station to grab a T-Money card, which is rechargeable and lets you hop on buses and metros with ease throughout your trip. First stop, Myeongdong, Seoul's most iconic shopping district. As you step onto its bustling streets, you'll be greeted by a dazzling display of Christmas lights and the mouth-watering aroma of Korean street food. The streets are alive with festive energy. Vendors cooking up hotteok, 1,500 won, sweet syrup-filled pancakes, and tteokbokki, 3,000 won, spicy rice cakes, and performers singing carols as the snow begins to fall. Bring cash for street food and trinkets. While card payments are common, smaller stalls often prefer cash. Don't forget to pick up some holiday-themed souvenirs from the market stalls. These make perfect gifts. In the evening, take the metro to Jamsil Station, Line 2, and immerse yourself in the magic of Lotte World Christmas Festival. Entry costs 59,000 won, $45, but if you arrive after 4 p.m., you can get discounted tickets for 47,000 won, $35. Inside, enjoy rides, ice skating, 12,000 won or $9 for rental, and live performances under a towering Christmas tree. Dress warmly, especially if you plan to skate. It gets chilly on the rink. On day 3, escape the city for the snow-covered peaks of Gangwon Province. Take an intercity bus from Dong-Seoul Bus Terminal, 17,000 won, $13, or the KTX train for a faster ride to Yongpyeong Resort, or Alpensia Ski Resort, located about 2.5 hours away. These resorts are ideal for skiing, snowboarding, or simply enjoying the breathtaking scenery. Yongpyeong offers a full-day lift pass for around 85,000 won, $65, with gear rentals starting at 45,000 won, $35. First-timers can book lessons for 50,000 won, $40, making it easy to hit the slopes with confidence. Not into skiing? Take the gondola ride, 14,000 won, $10, for panoramic views of snowy landscapes that look straight out of a Christmas card. Evenings here are magical, as fresh snow often falls, covering the ground in a glittering white blanket. Cozy up in a mountain cabin with a steaming cup of sujongwa, Korean cinnamon punch, or take a peaceful nighttime stroll under snow-laden trees. Remember to pack waterproof boots and insulated gloves to stay comfortable. Returning to Seoul, delve into South Korea's rich cultural heritage. Start with Bukchon Hanok Village, a picturesque neighborhood where traditional Korean houses, hanoks, are blanketed in soft snow. Walking through these serene streets feels like stepping into a historical painting. While exploring, keep noise levels low to respect the privacy of locals who still live in these homes. Nearby, visit Yogesa Temple, where lanterns and holiday decorations add a touch of magic to its serene atmosphere. Take a moment to light a candle for 1,000 won, or simply admire the intricate temple architecture dusted with snow. Modest clothing is recommended here, so consider bringing a scarf or coat that covers your shoulders. On day 6, venture to Nami Island, one of South Korea's most iconic winter destinations. To get there, take the ITX train from Yongsan Station to Gapyeong, 5,200 won $4, then hop on a ferry to the island, 16,000 won $12 round trip. Snow-dusted tree-lined paths and whimsical art installations make Nami Island perfect for romantic walks or peaceful exploration. Warm up in one of the island's cozy cafes with a mug of hot chocolate or a slice of sweet red bean bread. End your journey in Busan, a vibrant coastal city that offers a unique blend of holiday cheer and seaside tranquility. Take the KTX high-speed train from Seoul Station to Busan, 60,001 $45, a comfortable 2.5-hour ride. Upon arrival, make your way to Hyundai Beach Light Festival, where dazzling light displays stretch along the coastline. The contrast of twinkling lights and the sound of gentle waves creates a serene yet festive atmosphere. Stroll along the illuminated pathways, and if you get hungry, stop at a nearby restaurant for a bowl of haimul janggol, spicy seafood stew, for about 15,001 $12. Before heading back, explore Busan's famous markets like Jagalchi Fish Market for last-minute souvenirs and snacks. And that's your perfect 7-day Christmas adventure in South Korea. Oh, from the bustling streets of Seoul to the serene beauty of Nami Island and the festive lights of Busan, this trip offers the ultimate holiday experience. As you explore, remember these essential tips. Keep a T-Money card handy for seamless transport, rent a Wi-Fi egg, or buy a SIM card at the airport for connectivity, and dress in layers because South Korea's winters can be biting. If you loved this guide, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell for more travel inspiration. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Where should we explore next? Japan's snowy Hokkaido, the magical Christmas markets of Germany? Let me know in the comments. Until then, stay adventurous, stay warm, and Merry Christmas from me to you.